This bad boy is as nippy as it looks, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. As one of the newest members of our ride on motorbikes, the RiiRoo TourX Touring 12V motorbike is the perfect gift for the kid that wants the coolest ride that won't break mum and dad's bank account. The great thing is the specs for this are even better once you realise it's a 12V and not a 6V ride-on. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child. Foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function. Realistic multi-spoke rims. The bike has realistic race slick tyres, giving it that authentic superbike look. Just look at the attention to detail of the brake discs. Removable safety stabilisers for those that have transitioned to just riding the bike with two wheels. The 2-seat capacity allows your child to ride along with their friend or sibling. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. Padded leather style seats. As we take a look around, you'll notice the attention to detail and excellent styling of this bike. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.